Hi everyone, Nathan here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Sometimes our lawns suffer from stress, or we anticipate there is some stress to come from heat or from wear. In this video, we'll take a look at a great product to help assist your lawn's health and promote repair and recovery when your lawn needs it the most. Lawn Rescue is designed to restore lawns that have lost colour or appearance due to drought, heat, or lack of water and nutrients. Lawn Rescue contains a blend of liquid fertilisers, seaweed extracts, and wetting agents, making it a complete treatment to revive your lawn. It is ideal for use during establishment, post-establishment, and for a boost at any time during the year when required. Lawn Rescue was specifically formulated to target all areas of plant health. It's like a Barocca for your lawn, so it's ideal to use before or after stress occurs. Lawn Rescue is absorbed through the leaf, so it can correct nutrient deficiencies really quickly. Unlike granular fertilisers that require soil-borne reaction during warm temperatures, the nitrogen in Lawn Rescue will provide an upfront boost even during cool weather. During the warmer months, your lawn will be using up nutrient stores quickly while growing at its peak. A quick boost of liquid nutrient, particularly if your lawn is in stress from nutrient deficiency, will help your lawn to recover faster or maintain peak health. Lawn Rescue also contains kelp, which helps promote healthy roots and encourages beneficial microorganisms in the soil. This healthy soil ecosystem will assist in allowing organic matter to break down quickly, which is particularly important during the warmer months where there's a lot of growth. The wetting agent component of Lawn Rescue is also extremely important during the warmer months. Soils can become hydrophobic during hot and dry temperatures, which won't allow them to absorb water as well as they should. This wetting agent will break down this surface tension and allow the water to absorb and penetrate down to the roots where it's needed most. If you've just installed new turf, a great tip is to use Lawn Rescue in the first few weeks after establishment. This will promote really good root growth and overall plant health. So if your lawn's looking a little drought weary, suffering from some colour loss or heat stress from the summer, then it's Lawn Rescue to the rescue. Shop online now at lawnsolutionsaustralia.com.au. Find your local accredited Lawn Solutions Australia stockist or select Bunnings stores. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.